Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. I had a lot of fun this morning. I met with a group of realtors at a local office and we got to talk about what services I offer. I know I've talked a little bit about that, but it was really fun. We actually discussed home organization and how good it feels in your space to be organized and functional, and where we could store those kinds of things, what kind of strategies we can take. And it's a real service to them because they can offer that to their clients, and especially those who are selling, because there's a lot of prep that goes into having your home for a sale. Decluttering, cleaning up, being very strategic about what you show. Depersonalizing is a really big one. I know a lot of agents struggle with that. So if you're getting ready to list your home, it's a great opportunity to look at how you organize things, how they're functioning. Purging, of course, can be really fun for some people, super stressful for others, but it could be really therapeutic to do it anyway, and it's certainly a great opportunity when you move. Anyway, I do offer organization services. If you or someone locally that you know would like my services and my help going through things, I would be happy to talk to them about it. Check out my services on my website, camianlarson.com, and Facebook. You're probably already there. I'll be starting a YouTube channel soon, and check out my house. You can do that. Doesn't have anything about organization, but I'd love to see you over there. All right, have a good one. Thanks.